If you're wondering how to change your birthday on Cash App, you're in the right place. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your age on Cash App. Stick with me until the end because there's no direct edit birthday button in the app, and you need to know the proper way to do it. First, open the Cash App on your device and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will open your account settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on Support. Once you're in the support section, select something else to get to the next menu. From there, scroll down again and choose Cash Card. Even if you don't have one, this is the section that lets you connect with support about account details. Next, at the bottom, tap Contact Support. When the list of topics appears, choose Not About a Transaction so that your message doesn't get routed to the wrong place. Finally, tap Chat to open a conversation with Cash App support. In the chat box, explain that you need to update your date of birth or age on your account. A support representative will review your request and may ask for verification documents before they make the change for you. The key thing to remember is that you cannot change your age manually in settings. Contacting support is the only official way to update this information. Using the in-app chat is the fastest method and ensures your request is handled securely. And that's it. Now you know the right process to update your birthday on Cash App. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick, easy guides just like this. Don't forget to check out the description for more Cash App tips and resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.